What is going on, guys? So I do apologize for the crappy camera quality. I'm currently using my MacBook because my phone just does not want to record because I changed it to 4K, so that way I get really good video quality on it, but it's full and it won't let me airdrop any of the YouTube videos I have on my phone over to my computer because the internet here in Tulum, Mexico is not the greatest. But anyways, today I'm going to be talking about the top 5 ways you can make passive income or make money while you travel. So that way, again, you can stay in a place like this. I'm here for almost, well, I will be staying here for almost 3 weeks. I've been here a day now. And yeah, so I'm also using my AirPods. So that way, hopefully, the audio quality is better than what it would be like this. And I like it because I have this awesome swing here, and I just swing back and forth. But anyways, top 5 things to make money while traveling. And guys, I have done and I still do all, if not most of these, most, if not all of these. So let's just get into it. The first one, I think this is one of the easiest, and this is definitely the most passive because I did this about 3, 4 years ago, and I still get money into my bank account every single month, and that is writing a book. It can be an ebook, it can be an actual book, and you don't even have to write it. There are sites that you can pay them like $50 depending on what kind of book, the length, quality, and you pay them and then they write it for you, send it to you in the format, you upload it on Amazon, and you get to go. For me personally, I like writing, so it's just something I do in my spare time. I'm not really a good person when it comes to like books like Harry Potter. I could not write stuff like that, that's too long. I'm better at writing short stories, more around 30, 40, 50 pages. So really entrepreneurship books, self-help, stuff like that. And I still get paid monthly. It's not a lot, guys, trust me. The most I've gotten recently was $150 a month. But again, that's $150, you know? That will is literally almost going to pay for my food here. That is a lie. Actually, I have no idea because I don't know how much the food here truly costs. I just kind of hand them my card and I'm on my way. Um, so but yeah, that's the first method that you have. The second method, and this is again something that I did in the past, I don't do this anymore, I kind of cut it out until I'm really kind of better at what I do. That is starting a course. So back in 2017, I had a $15 beginner or basics of cryptocurrency. Really short, it was about an hour and a half, 2 hours worth of videos. Now I'm kind of starting it up again. And again, I'm not a huge fan of like the five, six, $700 courses. I don't think that's really necessary. I'm more of a fan of like the below $100 range, below $50 range. And even if the knowledge is worth $10,000, I still don't want to charge too much. So again, that's just something for me. Um, I ended up starting doing TikTok for the fun of it. I was bored over kind of winter break, and so what I ended up doing is I ended up making TikToks, and I'm in decent shape. You know, I'm not in the greatest of shape. I would say I'm in good shape. But people wanted to like get my workout, and since it was mainly body weight, I'm like, maybe I should just do that. So again, I've been working on that lately. I've been working on the diet part of that because I feel like that's very important. So again, that is a second thing, and that is also truly passive once you finish it. Now, the biggest one for me, this is the third thing. This is really my main source of income, and this is what truly pays for like Tulum, for my travels, for everything. So this entire trip with Tulum, with food, travel, because I'm also going up to Mexico City for a weekend, experiencing that. This entire thing, Airbnb, it's gorgeous. I have a private pool. I have a freaking swing inside. I have a nice work area. I have a TV. I have a fridge, coffee maker, outdoor kitchen, indoor kitchen. Beautiful. Outdoor shower, indoor shower. It's amazing. But this would be day trading and swing trading stocks for me. So again, this entire trip is going to cost me, I would say, a little bit under $2,000, and that is almost what I make in a day of day trading. So I'm very fortunate, very blessed. Again, this takes a lot more time. This takes years and years and years of experience, unlike writing an ebook where you sit down and you can be done within a week or two. This really takes years and years of practice and developing skill to kind of move on. And now I literally look at a stock, I'm like, okay, it's at this price, it usually bounces between this and this. Best example is Fubo, and I'm dropping 9% today. I'm like, okay, I know exactly it's about to rise. It did. It ended up selling my shares while I was on the plane. It ended up selling around 260 shares I had, and I ended up selling it for $2 above, which means I made $520 just off of Fubo today alone. The rest of my positions did go down, like Tesla and stuff like that. So again, but it's not a loss until you sell, and since those are my swing trades, I'm not really taking that into account for today's chart. Technically, I did still end the day over $2,900 profit, which I'm very grateful for. So that is your third one. That is my main one. Now the fourth one, again, this is a little bit more kind of not really passive. It's more a little bit work. This is more passive than the trading. This would be starting a small business. Now, what I mean by this is I've been kind of chatting with my employees slash friends, because usually I just kind of work with friends, and I'm not really like, we don't really take it too seriously, but we know when it's time to get serious. And that's back. I've been texting them. They're in Salt Lake, Utah, and I've just been telling them, hey, this and this person is gonna pick it up. I give them your number. They're gonna come by, and I'm like, okay, I paid 20 for this. They're buying it for 80. Very simple, stuff like that. And that was actually a real example. I ended up buying something for 20 and I ended up selling it for 80. So that was $60 profit just off of that one item alone. And then tomorrow they're picking something up where I'm gonna make $200 profit on. So again, it's small stuff, but again, it works out because all I have to do is send a text. Now, sending that text cost me $5 for this month because again, I'm in Mexico, so Metro just charged me $5. And yes, I use Metro because I'm a very cheap person when it comes to stuff like that. So that is the fourth thing. Now, the fifth thing, it kind of goes into the business side of it, but not truly, and that is kind of social media. So again, there are ways you can get paid by sponsorships, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, all of that stuff, use affiliate links. But if you don't have a platform, you cannot sell anything. People are making money off OnlyFans. Same with courses. Who are you going to sell your course to if you don't have an audience? If you have one subscriber, great, you sold one course for $50. What about the other? That's what you have to build. So you have to build a brand, and I really think that's the whole foundation. Once you have a brand, you can really kind of grow it and kind of take away parts of that and extend it. So that's one thing about that. And again, I feel like that is one of the things I struggle with. For me, it is reaching a larger audience for what I'm truly passionate about, and that's why I try to do it. For me, I also have a very, very hard time being kind of doing everything I should be done. Technically, I should upload one YouTube video a day, one podcast, post one Instagram story, post one Snapchat, post 3 TikToks about just the business side of my life. And I'm very bad at doing that. I really need to get better because I feel like if I would sit down 2 hours every morning before the stock market would open, I feel like I could get that done so easily. But I don't, and I need to get better on that. But again, building a brand, building a large network, I feel like is very important, especially in today's society. And yeah, you also get sponsorship deals and stuff like that. And again, you can freaking make an OnlyFans, it doesn't matter. But that is the top 5 things. Now, if you guys have not heard, I am the new founder of WBB. What is WBB? It stands for Wolves, Bears, and Bulls of Wall Street. It is a Discord. Basically, every time I buy and sell a stock, it sends it to the Discord, which then basically lets you guys know so you can kind of copy my trades. Again, it's not financial advice. It's literally just letting you know exactly what I'm doing. And then I also send out charts every single day before market open or the night before, letting you guys know, hey, this is how you do the analysis on this chart. This is the bottom of it. This is what can reach. This is the resistance. And once it hits this resistance and goes above it, this is a price target 1, 2, 3, stuff like that. So it really just kind of teaches you how to truly break down stocks. And if you're interested, click the link down below, as well as you can check out all the other links I have down below. And it's all free stuff. None of it is any cost to you. Obviously, there are some premium features in some of the stuff if you guys do want to end up checking that out. But again, everything is free because free information is the best information. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully, the video quality and the sound quality wasn't too bad. You guys have about, I would say, 16, 17 videos like this left before I get back to my microphone and my Canon Mark 7. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. I love each and every one of you. And stay humble, stay blessed, and stay grinding. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, guys.